Hello YouTube. Today we are showing San Angelo State Park. We recently made a trip there. This video is going to highlight the south portion of the park. This is the turn into the park. This is off Farm to Market Road 2288. We are coming up to the main office and gate into the south portion of the state park. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm experimenting with a little bit of time lapse on these drives around the park. This is at double speed. On the left, you'll see some cabins available for rental, and we're gonna just swing by on the right and pass by the RV dump station. From where we camped in our RV, it was a pretty long haul to the dump station. Fortunately, we did not have to use a dump station. We did have our Blue Boy just in case. The good thing is there are bathrooms pretty close to every RV spot in the campground. As you can see, as we pull up to the boat launch dock, the lake at this point in the season is extremely low. I don't know if you'll be able to launch any boats with the lake this low. In fact, I don't remember seeing anybody trying to launch a boat. I did see a few kayaks on the lake, but that's about it. Again, we're going about double speed as we continue on through the park and toward where we camped for the long weekend. All the campsites that I saw had at least electric and water. Here's a map of the entire state park. Like I mentioned before, we stayed at the South Park. Both parks have some pretty good hiking trails. We went on one which was called Road Runner, and my wife went on Strawberry the next day. All of the trails were clearly marked. Parts of it are extremely rocky, so I would recommend bringing hiking boots. One of the highlights of the walking trails is this wildlife observation area. One of the key features of this state park is the bison herd and the longhorn herd. And we went to go by and visit them, and they were gracious enough to be right next to the fence, so we got some good pictures of them. One of the things I was most interested in is this is one of 2 state parks that allow drone flights. Talking to the park ranger, I found out that there was a facility just outside the boundaries of the state park which you could fly your drone and take some overhead shots of the state park. And this is what you're seeing right here. At this time, I'd like to thank the Angelo RC Club. I met a few members and they were very gracious, and I had a great time out there. This is the first time I actually flew my drone in a proper facility, and again, it was a great experience. Here's a few pictures of our campsite. All the campsites seem to have a covered picnic table, a fire ring, and again, water and electric as well. Here's some pictures of the City of San Angelo and their very nice visitor center. And on the back side of it is their river walk. We really enjoyed our stay at San Angelo State Park and hope to return soon. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will reply as soon as possible. Again, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.